child ripped my zipper from all the way downstairs. Are you serious?
Jesus, it's just a zipper.
No, it's you sending a private photo of Kayla to 100 people.
Sent it to one person.
Who sent it to everyone?
Why are we whispering? I have to go.
God, what is going on? Biology partners, Lenore. Remember, we don't keep secrets.
There's a photo going around.
I want to see.
Kayla, it's a photo of you. What you three did to Kayla at that party was awful.
Really? I thought it was hilarious.
Kayla is confident, kind, and she would do anything for her friends.